Hello auto lovers, welcome back to RE Motor Show channel. We hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to show you 2024 Ford F-150 Platinum Facelift First Look Review and explain the details of the car. We hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. The 14th generation Ford F-150 received its first major refresh since its 2021 debut on Tuesday night, arriving just in time for this year's Detroit Auto Show. With refined looks, new trim levels, and a simpler ordering sheet, the F-150 lineup is more approachable than ever. From a platform perspective, the 2024 F-150 is largely unchanged from the earlier 14th generation models, with the exception of a revised powertrains list. The base 3.3-liter V6 engine has finally been put to pasture, instead replaced by the trusty 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6. While final output figures for the lineup aren't available at this time, the 2.7-liter provides 330 horsepower and 415 foot-pounds of torque in Bronco spec. Customers will also have the option to spec a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, as well as the hybrid POWERBOOST variant. Due to increasing customer demand, Ford is doubling production capacity for the hybrid in 2024. The automaker also intends to bring the POWERBOOST into price parity with the regular 3.5-liter, making the decision to go hybrid easier on customers' wallets. The POWERBOOST model currently makes up 10% of the sales mix. If 6 cylinders aren't enough for you, a 5.0-liter V8 option also returns for 2024. Regardless of which engine you select, a 10-speed automatic transmission will back it up. The Raptor and Raptor R models are also returning for 2024, retaining the same 3.5-liter V6 and 5.2-liter V8 engines as their 2023 counterparts. Output in the standard Raptor remains unchanged, but that doesn't appear to be the case with Raptor R. While not ready to spill the beans quite yet, Raptor program manager Tony Greco hinted towards a more powerful Raptor R arriving for 2024. Greco also confirmed that every Raptor model with 37-inch tires will now receive Fox dual-live valve shocks, complete with rebound and compression control. Both models get new graphics packages for 2024, while the Raptor gets a new power dome hood. Outside of the Raptor twins, the updated F-150 lineup will consist of XL, STX, XLT, Lariat, King Ranch, Platinum, Trimmer, and Platinum Plus models. The STX is a new addition on the entry side of the offer sheet, borrowing its name from the popular package from previous F-150s. When spec'd with the FX4 off-road package, Ford believes the new trim will prove popular with younger off-roaders. On the other end of the spectrum sits the new Platinum Plus model, which takes over as the F-150 range topper. The new luxury trim brings a more earthy interior theme, with a much warmer smoked truffle finish. The standard Platinum now features black exterior and interior trim, accented with unique blue stitching throughout.